I'm djTLM, and this is Share the Knowledge. Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy djTLM. You're checking out the Share the Knowledge podcast right here on iTunes, SoundCloud, and Anchor. And maybe you're checking out one of the video clips on YouTube. That's youtube.com/djTLMtv. This is my weekly podcast, educational podcast for DJs, where I answer questions that I receive on a weekly basis. And I'll also have a live stream on Facebook, and I'll be answering a couple of questions from there as well. Then we have a question from Aaron, and the question is, I love chopped and slowed music. That's chopped and screwed, right? But it's not popular where I'm from. I do worry about trying to play that style of music in front of people in case I might get a bad reaction. All right. Now, I feel as a DJ, you should be comfortable in trying things, being experimental with your music. If you have tracks that you feel are dope and could work, you could definitely try them. Now, you do need to make sure that you do a little research in certain areas or certain clubs or certain countries. Specific genres are not accepted. I've seen that and heard that before. Like in this part of the country, they're really into trap. But if you go to that side of the country, they really do not want to hear that. So it would be good to know that if you're playing in a certain area, if chopped and screwed is at least allowed to be played in that club, because you don't want to get in trouble. So I'm not saying that everyone has to like it, but just to make sure that it's okay if you try something like that. Then if you know that you can, the best way to experiment with tracks, and I've tried that all the time, is just to make sure that you have a track ready that really works with that crowd. So if you try your chopped and screwed track and the reaction is not what you hoped it would be, you can just go straight back into a track that they really love. Now, they might not really like the song like you just played, but that's okay. It's not like one song is going to be something that's going to make them say, like, this DJ is really bad. Now, if you go in there and you start to play like 20 minutes chopped and screwed tracks and pay no attention to what the crowd feels, then people might be like, yo, I saw that DJ last time and he's horrible if they don't like that music. But you can experiment. Just try. Just try. Give it a little play. It's easy to see if people like it a bit, love it, or absolutely hate it, and go off that. If they hate it, then you know, like, all right, let me get that out, play something they like, and then you know for the next time, okay, this crowd is not ready for that type of music. And if they like it a bit, then you know, like, okay, this has a chance, and you can try to look for maybe a nice chopped and screw remix of a track that they really love and play that. Play some of the more popular remixes. Yeah, man, but never be afraid to experiment. I've seen too many DJs that just play it super safe and only play the exact little list of hits that will work. But that's so corny. I mean, we are out there to, of course, rock that crowd. But if 10 DJs are playing and all 10 DJs play the same exact list of tracks, you're not setting yourself apart from the rest. There's nothing special about you, so why should they book you again when they can book 10 others to play that exact same thing? And I mean, to me, that's not why I became a DJ. I want to make sure that I play things I love, and there's so much music out there. So if I play a certain genre for the crowd and I found some new bangers, I'm going to try some stuff out. And if I see that it doesn't work, cool, then I know it. Sometimes something becomes a hit afterwards, and you can still start to play it then. But never be afraid to experiment.